Turmeric is a powerhouse for reducing inflammation and boosting immunity. But did you know most people don't absorb its benefits fully, or even make their health worse, by consuming it the wrong way? The golden spice, turmeric, is one of the most popular spices in wellness, thanks to its benefits for inflammation, digestion, and overall health. But many people unknowingly make mistakes that cancel out its effectiveness, or worse, cause unwanted side effects. Let's uncover the top 10 mistakes and how to fix them. 1. Not pairing turmeric with black pepper. Curcumin, turmeric's active compound, is poorly absorbed on its own. Black pepper contains piperine, which enhances curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. Without it, most curcumin passes through your body unused. Add a pinch of black pepper, about 1/20th of a teaspoon, to any dish or supplement containing turmeric. For example, in golden milk, use 1 teaspoon of turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. 2. Consuming turmeric without fat. Curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it needs to bind to fat for absorption. Eating turmeric with no fat limits its bioavailability. Pair turmeric with healthy fats like 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, olive oil, or ghee. For recipes, drizzle olive oil on a turmeric-spiced vegetable dish, or add coconut milk to turmeric tea. 3. Mixing turmeric with certain medications. Turmeric can interact with blood thinners, like warfarin, diabetes medications, or drugs that reduce stomach acid, potentially increasing side effects or reducing drug efficacy. If you're on medication, consult your doctor before consuming more than 1 teaspoon of turmeric per day or taking supplements. Be especially cautious with high doses from capsules or extracts. 4. Overheating turmeric. Curcumin begins to break down at high temperatures, reducing its potency. Add turmeric at the end of cooking or use it in low-heat recipes. For example, stir it into soups or stews after removing them from the heat, or sprinkle it on warm dishes before serving. 5. Consuming low-quality turmeric. Some turmeric products are diluted with fillers or lack sufficient curcumin, especially non-organic brands. Purchase high-quality, organic turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root. Look for products with curcumin content listed, typically 3 to 5%. Aim for about 1 to 2 teaspoons of powder, or 1 inch of fresh root daily for therapeutic effects. 6. Storing turmeric improperly. Light, air, and moisture degrade turmeric's active compounds over time. Store turmeric in an airtight, opaque container in a cool, dark place. For fresh turmeric root, keep it in the refrigerator wrapped in a damp paper towel. 7. Ignoring turmeric's oxalate levels. Turmeric contains moderate oxalates, which can contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals. If you're prone to kidney stones, limit turmeric intake to about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon daily and drink plenty of water. Opt for supplements with curcumin extract instead of whole turmeric, as these contain fewer oxalates. 8. Relying on turmeric alone for inflammation. Turmeric's effects are amplified when part of an anti-inflammatory diet and lifestyle. Relying solely on turmeric while neglecting other health practices limits its potential. Complement turmeric with anti-inflammatory foods like ginger, garlic, berries, and omega-3s. Aim to include turmeric as part of balanced meals rather than standalone remedies. 9. Overusing turmeric supplements. High doses of curcumin, over 2 grams daily, can cause nausea, diarrhea, or dizziness, and may interfere with medication. Stick to the recommended dosage, typically 500 to 1,000 milligrams of curcumin daily in supplements, and consume no more than 1 to 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder daily unless advised otherwise by a healthcare professional. 10. Ignoring turmeric's synergy with other spices. Turmeric's benefits are enhanced when combined with complementary spices like ginger and cinnamon, but many don't take advantage of this synergy. Create spice blends with turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon for teas, curries, or golden milk. These combinations boost antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects while improving taste and versatility. Here are a few ways to incorporate turmeric into your daily routine. Golden milk recipe. Combine 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, 1 cup coconut milk, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, and honey to taste. This recipe combines turmeric with fat, black pepper, and cinnamon for maximum absorption and flavor. Turmeric tea. 2 cups water. 1-inch turmeric root, or 1/2 teaspoon ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon chopped fresh ginger, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of black pepper, tablespoon honey, lemon wedge. Bring water to a boil in a small saucepan. Add turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer for 10 minutes. Strain tea into a large glass. Stir in honey and serve with lemon wedge. This recipe includes black pepper and ginger for improved absorption and added anti-inflammatory properties. Add a teaspoon of coconut oil to further increase the bioavailability. Smoothie addition: add 1 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon coconut oil to your favorite smoothie. Provides healthy fat and bioavailability enhancers in a convenient, tasty format. Using turmeric correctly is the key to unlocking its health benefits. Avoid these common mistakes. Combine turmeric with black pepper and fat, and integrate it into a balanced diet to maximize its potential. Have you made any of these turmeric mistakes? Share your experiences in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and keep your body in balance with the Balanced Body Project.